Good morning. We're leaving for Bacolod today. It's time to say goodbye. For now, si Palay. Let's go, Gab.
Yay! For the car. Papa, where's Mama?
She's there already. Bring your ball.
Oh yes, at the door.
Let's go.
The car is too dusty.
Oh,
Papa, the car is too dusty.
it's okay.
But come on.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Papa,
I'm coming.
but you carry.
No, I can't.
Papa, I'm just walking very slowly.
Yeah, walk slowly lang with Papa.
Papa,
Walk slowly with Papa.
Papa, before the car leaves. Because it's very dusty.
Don't worry. The car won't leave us.
Too dusty.
Yeah. It's okay.
Tawag ka lang, Pierre. Tawag ka lang.
Oh, say bye-bye kay Lola. Say bye-bye kay Lola.
Sige lang.
Kiss Lola, kiss, kiss.
Tawag ka lang kay papanang ko sa
Kay Lolo, kay Lolo, kiss Lolo also. Kiss Lolo.
Ito sa Bakulian.
Thank you, Lola. Thank you, Lolo.
Okay.
Go inside. Where?
Laway bro nagbukas ay ko na. Tutuglaw lang. Wala ka transfer ko.
You did last time, remember? You ate all the candies when we went to.
No.
Lamang. Hello. Hello.
That's fun. That's nice, no? Akala ko. You wanna go back to Lola's house?
Yes.
You like Lola's house?
Yes.
Hindi na tayo from this teacher.
Gane. Nalimtan ko na, sobrang busy. We're back at home. Parang bagong lipat lang. Kids are busy.
Hindi ko di pa ko na-miss mong video-video ba?
Arla, babe. I love you.